Hi everyone, welcome to Homebody. I am for Lisa. Let's get into the details of this space. I'm going to tell you where all the items came from. We'll also have whatever is linkable. I will have it linked down below in the description box. Get started with the drapes. The drapes are from 2-page curtains. The actual wall art that I have in the middle of the drapes, that is from Home Goods. The actual black palm leaves are from Zgallerie. The actual vase that the palm leaves are in, also from Zgallerie. My floor lamp is from Home Goods, and the accent chairs are from Wayfair. The pillows that's actually in the accent chairs are from On Cloud 9. The black and gold pillows and accent chairs are from On Cloud 9. The actual black and gold pillows that's actually on the sofa, those are from Zgallerie, and the little pillows that has the gold, black, and gray on the sofa, those are also from Zgallerie, as well as the ball pillow, velvet ball pillow from Zgallerie. My sofa is a TOV sofa. You can get your hands on that sofa from TOV or Wayfair, Walmart, Amazon. It's sold at multiple places. My wall art is from Home Goods. The wall sconces that you see here, you can get these from many places. They have them at Amazon, they have them at Wayfair, they have them at Walmart. I'll place the link down below to my actual wall sconces. Now, my area rug is actually from Wayfair. Love this rug. Love it so much. I've had it up since last year, early spring. I took it up and flipped it around to try to preserve it. It's actually washable, and it comes with little mats, and it also comes with runners. So here's a runner that I have. The only thing I don't like about the runners is the runners come in like 6 foot. I need one from my door all the way to my kitchen. I have two. Sometimes I'll piece two together, but for the most part, I just use one. My coffee table comes in a set. That's the larger drum here, and the other part of the coffee table set is over here, the gray drum. I love this set. I love it because it has the faux marble top, and then it has the white, and look at the bottom. It has gold at the bottom. Also has that same feature in this in the actual other piece over here. Has the gold feature at the bottom. Love it. Comes in a set. It's from Homary. I like the fact nowadays you can get furniture pieces that's sold at one place. You can get it from multiple places. So you can shop around and get the actual best price for an item. Now, the vase that's on my coffee table is from Wayfair. The actual pineapple, that black and gold pineapple, is from Michael's, and I've had it for several years. And then I have a palm leaf, a gold palm leaf inside the vase. And if I'm not mistaken, I think that palm leaf may be from Zgallerie. It's been a long time since I've had that palm leaf there. It's really cute, right? So let's talk about these floor lanterns. The lanterns are from At Home. If they're linkable, I will link them. The candles are also from At Home. This super cute vase here is a Zgallerie vase. And then I have this very cute water globe here. Let me show you this water globe. Look, it actually has glitter. And it actually lights up, but my battery is gone out. That is so cute. I love it. And my mirror, this is a TOV mirror. Well, the lighting in this space and in my kitchen is from Wayfair. This lighting here, you actually can get it in gold, chrome, and black. So I'm going to pan around to my entryway. Let's talk about the entryway. I am in love with my entryway, guys. Love it, love it, love it. My entryway table is from Wayfair. I always like to tell everyone that it's not real wood. It's that manufactured wood. So if you purchase this, just know you're going to have to put it together. And it's not an easy put together. You're going to have a little patience to get it. I love it because it was affordable. It was under $200. Sometimes they have this for like $120, which is an awesome price for something that comes together so beautifully. Floor decorated piece over here. Love it as well. Look how modern that it is. It's actually wood. It's made of wood, and it has different shapes from the bottom to the top. Look how beautiful that is. Love that. That's from Zgallerie. And my wall art here is from At Home. Don't think you can get your hands on them. The little pics that's in my Miami vases are from Zgallerie. And the Miami vase, meaning the gold vase, the tall one and the short one, also from Zgallerie. The little ceramic purse. I think this is so cute. That purse also from Zgallerie. I'm going to pan back around here because I didn't talk about this beautiful vase. I am in love with this vase. This is called a Miel vase. Let me turn my light on to see if you can see it better. Yes, it gave you a little more lighting, not too much. This vase is absolutely beautiful. It's about 3.5 inches tall, 3.5 feet tall. I like the design. It has the molded silhouette there, and it's the soft gold. It's not that harsh yellowish looking gold. It's a soft, beautiful, grand gold. Now, this vase is actually a statement piece, and it's a conversational piece, and it has that same design all the way around. Actually very, very beautiful. And I've had that vase in my kitchen. I had it over in my entryway, and now it's over there. And I'm sure by the end of the summer, first of fall, or whatever, it'll be in several other places in my home. So yes, so that sums up my pre-summer living room, and I am absolutely loving it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.